Today I'm going to show you exactly how to measure angles and lengths in Photoshop. By the end of this video, you'll know some simple but powerful techniques to get precise measurements, whether you're preparing a print design, checking layouts for web graphics, or just need to know the exact distance between 2 points in your image. Let's jump right in. The tool you're looking for is called the ruler tool, but you might not spot it right away. Photoshop likes to hide this tool behind other icons, so here's how you find it. Look for the eyedropper tool in your toolbar, which is the one that looks like a pipette, and either click and hold on it or right-click to open up its flyout menu. The ruler tool will be nested there. Select it from the list, or you can use the shortcut by pressing the I key, then toggling through until you land on the ruler tool. Once you've got it, here where the magic happens. To measure a length, click exactly where you want your starting point to be. Maybe that's the edge of a graphic, the corner of a photo, or the start of some text. Then drag along the precise path you want to measure and release at your endpoint. Photoshop draws out a line and instantly defines the distance. Now you'll want to check your measurement. Look up at the options bar right at the top of your screen. That's the strip that runs above your workspace. Here you'll see a value labeled L1, which stands for length 1. This is the distance between your 2 points, and by default, Photoshop will tell you this measurement in pixels. But what if you need more information? Maybe you want to double-check the details or see coordinates alongside length. No problem, go up to the window menu at the very top of your screen and select Info. This opens the Info panel, which gives you a handy breakdown. Not just the length, but also X and Y positions for both points, plus width and height. If you're working on something precise like print dimensions or planning a web element down to the pixel, this extra data can be incredibly useful. Now talking about units. Sometimes pixels are perfect, like for web or digital design, but maybe you need inches or centimeters, especially if your work is heading to print. You're in control here. To switch units, move up to the rulers around your canvas. If you don't see rulers yet, press Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R if you're on a Mac. Then simply right-click directly on one of those rulers. You'll get a list of units, pixels, inches, centimeters, and a few more. Select what fits your project, and instantly both your rulers and measurements in the info panel will update. If you run into any snags while picking those start or end points, take your time. It's totally normal to zoom in closely or use guides for a more exact selection. Photoshop's measuring tools are about precision but also about flexibility, so don't worry if your first measurement isn't perfect. Just try again. That's how you quickly and accurately measure angles or lengths in Photoshop. It's a great way to ensure your designs are pixel perfect or print ready, and with these methods, you'll have confidence in your project's dimensions every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you're measuring in Photoshop today. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy-to-follow guide. Thanks for watching and happy creating.